Greetings, Mark Bernier. We're going to be looking at how we can actually split this table right here in three. Yes, definitely split it in three. But how is it possible that we can actually split it in three? The first thing you want to make sure you come right here. Notice at the head and click. You notice the highlight the table. When you highlight a table, if you notice you come right up at the top right here, it's a style, it's a table design, it's a layout. Alright, so when you click on layout, these are what you actually see. But right in here, that's the merge. We're going to split the table. Alright, so in order for us to split the table, alright, what I wanted to do, I'm going to click right here in 21. Notice, and then I'm going to click split. Notice this table split. So, right, I want to click right here, part 1 again, and then I'm going to click split table. So if you notice right here, my table actually split in 3 right here. So definitely, so this is how you can actually split table right here in Microsoft Word. So hope you have learned something from this particular video. So remember to share, like, and subscribe. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.